application will ask you a series of questions. Just answer those questions and you're pretty much good to go. Then it will ask you to let them scan your TikTok account so they can pretty much give you video ideas. So as well, if you haven't done that, can do it again. As you can see, you can connect your TikTok account. Once you have connected your TikTok account, it will analyze your TikTok account based on your information, how often you post and so forth, will give you viral video ideas which you can post. As you can see here, generate a script for you to create those contents and so forth. And as well, in this section here, you can also link multiple accounts for it to scan and so forth. So this application pretty much helps you go viral based on your TikTok account. So very good application to have if you're a TikTok user. And in their subscription section here, you do get your subscription. You get in all of these, as you can see here, and this is pretty much their prices as it relates to their subscription. So you have a monthly and a yearly subscription, and they do show you what to be getting as it relates to your subscription. So if you're looking to get very popular on TikTok, you may need to check out this application here. May just be the thing that you need to help you on going viral. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.